If you're diving into the world of high-performance smartwatches for fitness, outdoor adventures, or tactical missions, you've likely come across two top-tier models, the Garmin Tactix 8 and the Garmin Fenix 8. These premium smartwatches are designed for advanced users, featuring top-of-the-line specs for health tracking, rugged durability, and multi-sport training. But which one is right for you in 2025? In this deep dive comparison, we break down the Garmin Tactix 8 versus Garmin Fenix 8 across essential categories like fitness and health tracking, tactical features, GPS performance, battery life, design, durability, and overall value. If you're considering your next smartwatch upgrade, or you're new to the Garmin ecosystem, this 8,000-word breakdown will guide you through every detail you need to make the right decision. Design and build quality. Garmin Tactix 8. The Garmin Tactix 8 is engineered for tough conditions. It features a diamond-like carbon, DLC, coated titanium bezel, a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal lens, and a fiber-reinforced polymer case. The watch is built to MIL, STD, 810 military standards, meaning it can withstand extreme environments. Perfect for military professionals, rescue teams, or hardcore adventurers. Garmin Fenix 8. The Fenix 8 also boasts a rugged build, but with a more versatile appeal. It combines a titanium bezel with a sleek, sporty design. While it's also built to military standards, the Fenix 8 is a more attractive option for those who want a balance between style and performance. Verdict. Best for tactical use, Tactix 8. Best for everyday wear plus adventure, Fenix 8. Display technology. Fenix 8. The Fenix 8 takes the lead with a higher resolution AMOLED display, 390 by 390 pixels, offering vibrant colors and high contrast even in direct sunlight. It's touchscreen-enabled and extremely responsive, perfect for quick glances during workouts or outdoor navigation. Tactix 8. The Tactix 8 features a slightly lower resolution MIP, memory in pixel, display, 280 by 280 pixels. But this actually enhances battery life and visibility in low-light or night operations. The Tactix 8 also comes with a multicolor LED flashlight, including a night vision-compatible red mode. Verdict. Best for clarity and visuals, Fenix 8. Best for tactical night use, Tactix 8. Health and fitness tracking. Garmin Fenix 8. Ultimate Fitness Companion. The Fenix 8 is built for fitness-focused users. It supports over 30 sports modes, advanced running dynamics, heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen saturation, SpO2, body battery energy monitoring, VO2 max measurement, sleep tracking with sleep score, fitness age estimation, HIIT workouts, training readiness. It's designed for marathon runners, hikers, swimmers, skiers, and cyclists who want a complete performance overview. Garmin Tactix 8. Fitness meets tactical precision. While the Tactix 8 covers many of the same health metrics, it's enhanced with features for tactical and military-style workouts. Stealth mode disables wireless connectivity and data storage. Kill switch wipes device memory in emergencies. Jumpmaster mode, parachuting navigation. Advanced stress tracking. Tactical specific workout suggestions. Verdict. Best for general health and fitness, Fenix 8. Best for tactical fitness and combat training, Tactix 8. Tactical and survival features. The Garmin Tactix 8 is a tactical powerhouse. In addition to basic outdoor tools, it features night vision goggle compatibility, ballistic calculator, 4 long-range shooting accuracy, dual position format, displays 2 coordinate systems, preloaded tactical activity profiles, waypoint projection and location sharing. The Garmin Fenix 8, while versatile, lacks many of these tactical enhancements. It does include topo maps, multiband GNSS, Climb Pro and real-time ascent data, trackback routing. Verdict. Winner, Tactix 8, if your adventures take you into unknown or hostile terrain. Battery life and solar charging. Both models offer solar variants which extend battery life significantly. Fenix 8 Solar. Smartwatch mode, up to 18 days, 22 days with solar. GPS mode, up to 57 hours, 73 hours with solar. Expedition mode, up to 40 days. Tactix 8 Solar. Smartwatch mode, up to 21 days, 24 days with solar. GPS mode, up to 89 hours, 122 hours with solar. Expedition mode, up to 45 days. Verdict. Best for battery longevity, Tactix 8. Navigation and GPS. Fenix 8. Multiband GNSS support, GPS, GLONASS Galileo. Preloaded topographic, ski, and golf maps. Real-time breadcrumb navigation. Dynamic return route feature. Tactix 8. All the above plus. Advanced waypoint management. Aerial navigation tools. Jumpmaster and projected waypoints. Nearest airport and direct-to-navigation functions. Verdict. Winner. Tactix 8 for advanced military navigation. Smart features. Fenix 8. Garmin Pay. Music storage, Spotify, Deezer, Amazon Music. Smart notifications. Incident detection and assistance. Weather calendar and more. Tactix 8. Includes all of the above, but limited music functionality in stealth mode. Verdict. Winner. Fenix 8 for everyday smart features. Price comparison. Garmin Fenix 8 Solar, around $1,100. Garmin Tactix 8 Solar, around $1,400. Verdict. Best value for most users, Fenix 8. Best investment for tactical pros, Tactix 8. Pros and cons. Garmin Fenix 8. Pros. Excellent fitness and health tracking. AMOLED display. Smart features for daily use. Stylish yet rugged design. Cons. Lacks specialized tactical tools. Garmin Tactix 8. Pros. Loaded with tactical tools. Military-grade durability. Superior battery life. Cons. Heavier and bulkier. Pricier than Fenix 8. Final verdict. Which should you buy in 2025? Choose the Garmin Tactix 8 if you're in the military, law enforcement, or a tactical profession. You frequently navigate extreme or high-risk environments. Battery life and stealth features are critical. Choose the Garmin Fenix 8 if you're a fitness enthusiast, athlete, or weekend adventurer. You want a feature-rich smartwatch for daily health tracking. Display quality and smart functionality matter. In 2025, both smartwatches push the limits of what wearable tech can do. Your choice ultimately depends on your lifestyle. Whether you're training for a triathlon or planning a covert op, Garmin has a watch that fits your mission.